Hey there, today in this tutorial I will going to show you how to fix if the mouse cursor or the pointer is not showing on Windows 10. So let's start how to fix this issue. Press Window key and R button on your keyboard to open Run command. Now you have to type this command. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open Device Manager. Now one time press on Tab key to select the Device Manager. And then pressing down arrow key go to Mouse and Other Pointing Devices option. Now press on right arrow key. This will expand the driver. Now press on drop down key to select driver. After selecting the driver, press on Enter on your keyboard. Now double press on Tab key. This will select top menu bar. Now press the right arrow key to go to this driver. After that press the Tab key go to Update Driver option. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Here select the first option and enter on your keyboard. This will update your cursor driver. After that press the Tab key again to select this close option. And then press Enter on your keyboard. It will close pop up this window, and your problem will be resolved. But after following the step, if you still getting the same issue, then follow the second method. Press the Tab key go to Uninstall Device. And then press Enter on your keyboard. Now press on Tab key to select Uninstall option. After selecting press Enter on your keyboard. It will uninstall this driver. Now select Yes and press Enter on your keyboard. This will restart your device and it will reinstall your cursor driver again. So this is the 2 easy steps to fix mouse cursor or the pointer is not showing on Windows 10. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.